What's today on YouTube? It's your boy Vine Vlogs TV. Back at it again with yet another video. You see by the title of this video. This is a quick upload because I watch my car a lot, and then on my YouTube channel, or on my Instagram channel, I also show how my car look like glass and everything. But for the products I use right now, I'm just gonna show you. It's gonna be like a little quick wash tutorial of what the products I use, and that's about it. Just the products I use, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys the quick products I use. I plan on upgrading in the future, but right now, since we just moved in the house, it's gonna take me a minute before I get all the products I want. Like I want to get a foam cannon later on and a lot of other stuff, but as of right now, I'm gonna show you all the stuff I use. But first thing you want to do first is wash the car first. You want to wash the car first. That'd be the very first thing you want to do is wash the car. So after you wash the car, you bring it in the garage. Well, I already did that. I completely forgot to grab the camera, but I'm just grabbing the camera now. But however, after you wash the car, then you want to bring it in the garage. If you don't have the garage, like bring it into like a parking garage or whatever, or just do it in the car wash bay. I know that people don't want you washing your car in there and spending a bunch of time on it because other people, so they can get in. But however, you got to do what you need to do sometimes, so to get your car looking good. But we don't get right into it. I'm gonna get off the camera and stop talking. But this is what I use to wash my car for now. So I put in the water. Bucket's down there, you guys. Alright, so right now, so after I bring it in the garage, I use this. I'm bringing in like something for you guys. Maguires ceramic wax. This is what I use right now, but I'm going to get some more stuff from Chemical Guys, but as of right now, this is what I use. So how I apply it, because some people use the same thing, they're like, man, how come I can't get that same effect? But what I do differently is I use 2 rags, as you can see right here, but I think there's another one back there. But so I spray it on first, so I'm going to show you guys. I spray it on, and then I use a damp rag that I dry the car off with. I use a damp rag first, and then wipe it down, let it sit for like 2 seconds or whatever, and then dry it off. But you see a little streaks, a little bit, that means you gotta hit it again with the drying cloth. So I did all this, so the front end is a little tricky, but you can't really see in the rear. So I'm gonna do the front. It'll be easier for you guys to see. Forgot my stand though, so gonna have to get crafty here, guys. Alright, you guys, got the stand now. So let me get my damn rag. Alright, so we're gonna be doing like this portion right here because I haven't done this side yet. Do this portion and a little bit up here. I'm doing that half because I don't want the ceramic wax sitting on the car for too long. So I'm gonna spray it on. Not too much, just a little bit. I put a little bit too much on there. I'm sorry, guys, a little bit too much. But that's it for a little minute. Then we're gonna come back over with. All right, come back over it and wipe the product in with a damp rag. You'll see like this wave pattern where it's wiped in, but that's where I gotta go over it. Dry it in. I'm gonna dry it off, and then after I dry it off, I'm gonna bring you guys closer and show you guys. Alright, you guys, bring you guys a little closer so you can see. I know it's kind of hard to see in the garage, but got a little bit up here, but you can even see the bottle right there. Real good. It just takes a lot of time to wash. Super clean, guys. That's how I did it. I did this whole side over here. You can tell the results are amazing. Are incredible. And that's in the shade too. That's not even in the light. This is undone. That's just with that over there, guys. That's with that. That's it. And it's with the ceramic wax. You see a little bit right there where I need to dry. It might be hard to see on the right there, but you can see right there a little bit where I need to go over again with the drying cloth. That's how it will look if you need to do it again. Sorry guys if I'm out of breath, but washing this car took forever. I'm still not finished yet. But alright you guys, that was just a quick video, a quick little upload. It's probably like a 10-minute video, not even that, but this is a quick little upload of showing everybody how I apply the products on my car and the results of it, and that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. I have no idea what that is going to be, but I'm trying to upload content non-stop, so give you guys short little videos just, you know, just to let you know guys I'm still here and I'm not giving up. I gotta rewash our car next, so I'm getting out of here guys. Don't ever forget, trust God. Don't ever lose faith, because you never lose faith and trust in you. Peace.